This is how you fix noisy footage in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Fusion tab, press Shift plus space, search Remove Noise and add it. Go to the color channels. You'll see red, green, blue and alpha. Start with red to locate where the noise is strongest. In the inspector, adjust softness to reduce noise, then bring back detail using detail. Repeat this for red, green and blue. Switch to chroma. Lower softness, luma, to reduce grain. Then use detail luma to restore clarity. For chroma, increase softness until noise disappears, then bring detail back with detail chroma. It's always a balance. Too much softness will damage the image. Turn on split wipe to compare. Original on the left, cleaned footage on the right. Now you can clearly see the difference. And that's how you fix noisy footage in DaVinci Resolve.